boys ko.
Mommy, we're already
Ayaw mo
red.
Lyrics.
We're already red.
Sing a song. Deck the halls. Oh, sige. Wait lang. Deck the halls with lots of holly. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Tis the season to be jolly. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Songs go our gay apparel. Kapag second voice ka, lagyan mo na second voice. Sige, sige. Ano? Ano na, RJ, para, la. Ano yun, guys? Dan.
Kumawa ka rin naman ng lyric. Para naman tayo magpanggap, di ba? Hindi tayo professional. Ang low budget lang tayo.
Budget. Low. Ay,
Ayan.
I just got it.
Ayan, oh, yan.
Ah, yan.
Isa pa. Hindi ko mahanap yung...
Anong pangalan natin?
The Singing Reindeer.
Hello! We are the singing reindeers. Lagi.
After 4 beats lang, huwag mong patagalin. Ready?
'Mamas ko na ta. Okay. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to the Bukingo Castilian family.
I like Butingo.
Already? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Starting dreaming to you and your kids. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Blending. And a Happy New Year.
Ilang araw na lang?
How many days to Christmas?
21.
21 days.
20, December 3 pa lang ngayon.
Ano, 21? Siya man nag-countdown.
23 mo.
Pila man lang?
What are you counting?
21, 22.
23 man, December 3 man karon.
So, 23 days.
Oo.
Tama. Uy, 21. Uy,
23.
3. Kung
December 3 divide minus
26 na.
25 divide minus 23, 22 days.
Ah, so 22 ka ron.
Oo.
Ah, sorry. Sundalan na ka lang. There.
Sige,
22 days.